From Debt to Millionaire League. Embarking on a journey from debt to the Millionaire League involves a series of strategic steps that anyone can take to transform their financial future. Let's discuss them now. Number 1. Tackle high-interest debts. You're on a path to freedom, and this step is akin to conquering a challenging mountain, a move that sets the tone for your upward financial climb. High-interest debts can feel like heavy chains holding you back, but fear not. This is your moment to break free. Start by identifying those debts with interest rates that seem to climb faster than a rocket. Credit cards, personal loans, or any outstanding balances with high interest are prime targets. Devote extra funds, no matter how modest, to aggressively pay down these debts. It's not merely about making minimum payments, it's creating a strategic plan to obliterate them. See each payment as a step up the mountain, bringing you closer to the summit of financial freedom. Consider consolidating these debts for a smoother ascent. This involves combining multiple debts into a single, manageable payment with a lower interest rate. It's like streamlining your gear for the climb, lighter and more efficient. As you tackle high-interest debts, keep that millionaire mindset in focus. Every paid-off debt is an investment in yourself, a step towards financial abundance. Celebrate small victories along the way. Every paid-off debt is a testament to your commitment. Remember, this journey is not only about escaping debt, it's embracing financial abundance. By tackling high-interest debts head-on, you're not just climbing a mountain, you're conquering it. This step sets the stage for the remarkable heights you're destined to reach. So, gear up, embrace the challenge, and let's ascend together towards a millionaire's view of prosperity. 2. Increase income. Unlocking a treasure chest of opportunities on your path to financial abundance. Increasing your income involves identifying opportunities to enhance your skills and knowledge. Consider additional certifications or training that align with your interests and career goals. Investing in yourself turns you into a high-value asset in the marketplace. Explore the realm of side hustles, those passion projects or supplementary ventures that can turn your skills or hobbies into income streams. Diversify your sources of income, creating a financial ecosystem that thrives. Showcasing the value you bring to the table is more than asking for a raise. Make a compelling case for your contributions and the impact you've had on the success of your team or company. Consider venturing into entrepreneurship. Taking calculated risks to build something meaningful opens avenues for unlimited earning potential and allows you to be the captain of your destiny. As you increase your income, maintain a mindset of abundance. See each opportunity as a stepping stone toward financial prosperity. Remember, this journey isn't just about climbing a financial ladder. It's about soaring to new heights of success and fulfillment. Seize the opportunities, embrace the challenge, and let's elevate your income on this exhilarating journey to the Millionaire League. 3. Learn about investment options. Acquiring a powerful set of tools that can sculpt your financial future. Saving money and making your money work for you are key principles in the pursuit of abundance. Learning about investment options is like exploring a vast landscape of opportunities. Equipping yourself with knowledge that can propel you forward is essential. Start by understanding the basics: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Demystify the world of investments to make informed choices. Diversification is a golden rule in this realm. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk. Building a resilient and balanced portfolio that can weather market fluctuations is crucial. Consider exploring retirement accounts and tax-advantaged investments. Maximizing your returns by leveraging the benefits offered by these accounts is a strategic move that aligns with the millionaire mindset of long-term wealth building. As you navigate the investment landscape, embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Acquiring knowledge and staying informed in a dynamic financial world is essential. Attend workshops, read reputable financial literature, and seek advice from seasoned investors. This journey is unlocking the doors to financial abundance. Learning about investment options propels you forward, positioning you to make savvy financial decisions. Gear up, embrace the learning curve, and sculpt a prosperous future on this enlightening journey to the Millionaire League. 4. Explore entrepreneurship. The moment you take the reins of your financial destiny, steering towards a horizon of unlimited potential. Unlock your creativity and resourcefulness to shape a prosperous future. Exploring entrepreneurship is like setting sail on a voyage of self-discovery and financial freedom. Recognize your skills, passions, and unique abilities that can be transformed into a venture. This is embracing the spirit of innovation and resilience that defines successful entrepreneurs. Consider your skills and expertise as valuable assets in this entrepreneurial journey. What problems can you solve? What solutions can you offer? Entrepreneurship is addressing needs in the market and carving your niche. Embrace calculated risks as stepping stones towards financial abundance. Entrepreneurship is about facing challenges and leveraging them as opportunities for growth. By doing so, you position yourself at the helm of your ship, navigating towards the shores of success. Dive into the world of networking and mentorship. Seek guidance from those who have tread the entrepreneurial path. Forging connections is about learning from experiences and gaining insights that can propel your venture forward. Remember, entrepreneurship is about building a legacy and unlocking the doors to financial abundance. This journey invites you to harness your potential, creativity, and resilience. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and chart a course towards the Millionaire League where your aspirations become achievements. 5. Beware of lifestyle inflation. Think of this as protecting your financial foundation while ensuring a pathway to long-term prosperity. It's making strategic choices that pave the way for sustained financial well-being. Beware of lifestyle inflation, the sneaky cousin of financial goals. As you climb the ladder of success, it's natural to want to enjoy the fruits of your labor. However, it's vital to strike a balance between enjoying the present and securing the future. This involves curbing unnecessary spending and making intentional decisions that align with your financial goals. Consider this: as your income increases, the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle becomes more pronounced. While treating yourself is important, it's crucial to avoid unnecessary splurges that can derail your financial plans. Say yes to financial freedom and building a legacy by embracing a mindset that focuses on value rather than instant gratification. As you navigate the waters of success, remember that lifestyle inflation is a cautionary tale. By being mindful of your choices, you're cultivating an environment where every investment has the potential to bloom into a tree of prosperity. So, be aware, be intentional, and foster a lifestyle that aligns with your millionaire aspirations. Ready to transform your financial future? Join us at brailnavy.com and access the tools for financial success. Subscribe today and embark on your journey to wealth. 6. Explore real estate investments. Acquiring keys to doors that open into a realm of financial abundance. Owning property is a strategic means of building wealth through one of the most powerful investment vehicles available. Exploring real estate is like planting seeds in the financial portfolio. It's a dynamic path that has the potential to yield bountiful returns. This involves owning a piece of land or a building, crafting a legacy, and cultivating a future of financial prosperity. Real estate is more than bricks and mortar. It's a dynamic market where opportunities abound. As you step into this realm, it's about making informed decisions. Learn about different real estate strategies, from rental properties to flipping houses, and choose the path that aligns with your financial goals. Realize the power of leverage in real estate. This involves using assets strategically to multiply your financial impact. With careful planning and wise decisions, your real estate ventures can become stepping stones towards the Millionaire League. As you navigate the real estate landscape, embrace a mindset of growth and abundance. Dive into this with the knowledge that, with each investment, you're building towards a future of wealth and abundance. So, explore the possibilities, and let real estate investments be a cornerstone in your journey to financial prosperity. By unlocking the potential of this dynamic market, you're not just acquiring properties, you're cultivating a landscape of abundance on the path to the Millionaire League. 7. Leverage technology. In this digital era, technology is your secret weapon to propel you towards financial success. No longer confined by traditional constraints, you have the opportunity to harness the digital realm to redefine your financial narrative. Let's talk investments. The digital age has gifted us with a plethora of platforms that allow you to invest wisely, grow your wealth, and watch it flourish like never before. Whether it's diving into the stock market or exploring the vast world of cryptocurrency, technology is your gateway to opportunities that were once exclusive to financial elites. Automation is your trusted companion on this journey. Imagine setting up automated savings plans, effortlessly stashing away funds that snowball into a fortune over time. Embrace the power of apps and tools that streamline your budgeting, so you can focus on what truly matters, building your wealth empire. But it doesn't end there. The online realm is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be tapped. Equip yourself with financial literacy through webinars, podcasts, and online courses tailored for your success. stay ahead of the curve, and let the wisdom of the digital age be your guide. As you navigate the path from debt to the Millionaire League, let technology be your loyal companion. Embrace it, leverage it, and watch as it propels you to heights you once only dreamed of. The digital era is your playground. Seize it, conquer it, and let the world witness the riches that is uniquely yours. 8. Monitor and manage credit score. This demands a keen eye on your credit score, a vital beacon on your path to prosperity. Regularly monitoring your credit provides insights into your financial health. Take control of your destiny by understanding the factors that influence this score. Managing your credit is strategically building a solid financial foundation. Timely payments, prudent credit utilization, and a dash of discipline are your weapons of choice. Each responsible move propels you closer to the coveted Millionaire League. The benefits don't stop there. A stellar credit score is your golden ticket to favorable interest rates and opportunities that others might miss. Lower mortgage rates, better loan terms, and credit cards with perks that align with your millionaire lifestyle become accessible. As you navigate the terrain from debt to the Millionaire League, make monitoring and managing your credit score a non-negotiable part of your financial toolkit. Empower yourself with knowledge, take deliberate actions, and watch as your credit score becomes the silent architect of your successes. Your journey to abundance awaits. 9. Understand compounding. A financial force that can propel you to unimaginable heights. Compounding is the secret sauce to building substantial wealth over time. Let's break it down in a way that resonates with your journey towards financial abundance. Imagine a small investment, a bit of your hard-earned money. Now, here's where the magic happens. As time passes, that investment grows, not just in size but exponentially. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum with each revolution. This is witnessing your financial landscape transform. Compounding allows your money to earn returns on its returns, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your journey from debt to the Millionaire League. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to work its compounding magic. It's the financial equivalent of starting a fitness regimen. The sooner you begin, the greater the results. Invest consistently, even if it's a modest amount, and let time be your ally in this wealth-building adventure. As you embrace the concept of compounding, envision it as your financial ally, working tirelessly to unlock your true potential. Picture the satisfaction of witnessing your wealth grow effortlessly, laying the foundation for a future where financial abundance is not just a dream but a reality. As you navigate the path towards greatness, let compounding be your steadfast companion. Start early, stay consistent, and watch as your wealth multiplies, carrying you from the realm of debt to the Millionaire League. The journey is yours. Let compounding be the wind beneath your wings. 10. Take calculated risks. Taking calculated risks involves thoughtful analysis and a clear understanding of potential outcomes. Now, let's demystify the notion of risk. It's identifying opportunities that align with your financial goals. Like a skilled chess player, you anticipate moves, weigh the odds, and make strategic decisions that position you for success. Consider investments as your canvas for calculated risks. Explore emerging markets, and embrace opportunities that others might shy away from. Remember, it's intelligently managing risks to reap substantial rewards. Taking calculated risks is a testament to your belief in your financial journey. It's stretching beyond your comfort zone, where growth and success thrive. Imagine the satisfaction of watching your well-thought-out decisions propel you from the clutches of debt to the echelons of financial abundance. As you navigate this path, don't let fear paralyze you. Instead, let it be the fuel that propels you. Embrace the excitement of this, for it is often in the realm of the unknown that true wealth unfolds. In the journey to success, taking calculated risks is the brushstroke that adds vibrancy. Seize the opportunities, weigh your options, and let calculated risks be the beacon guiding you from debt to the Millionaire League. Your potential is boundless. Unlock it with strategic boldness. 11. Foster a positive money attitude. A positive money attitude is a key that unlocks doors to prosperity. View it as the sun breaking through the clouds, casting its warm glow on your landscape. It's about seeing money not as a source of stress but as a tool for realizing your dreams. It's a mindset shift that reframes your relationship with money. Instead of dwelling on limitations, focus on possibilities. Embrace financial challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Consider your money as a valued ally on this journey. Nurture it, respect it, and let it work for you. A positive money attitude is a practical approach that empowers you to make informed financial decisions, whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing. Imagine the ripple effect, a positive money attitude influencing every financial decision you make. It's the driving force that propels you forward, from the constraints of debt to the expansive realms of abundance. Picture the satisfaction of watching your money multiply and work in harmony with your goals. As you navigate this path, recognize that setbacks are stepping stones to success. A positive money attitude turns challenges into opportunities for resilience and innovation. Let it be the force that guides you through the peaks and valleys of your financial journey. Fostering a positive money attitude is a practical tool that can shape your destiny. Embrace it, cultivate it, and watch as it becomes the foundation for unlocking your true potential. Your journey to financial abundance begins with a mindset, and the possibilities are limitless. 12. Stay motivated. Motivation is a steady flame that keeps burning, lighting the way through challenges and victories alike. Imagine it as the engine that drives your path, from the starting line of debt to the finish line of the Millionaire League. Staying motivated isn't about pumping yourself up with motivational quotes, although they can be powerful. It's setting realistic goals, breaking them into manageable steps, and celebrating each small victory along the way. Like climbing a mountain, you conquer one step at a time. Consider your financial goals as the guiding force. Define them clearly, visualize your success, and let that vision be your constant motivator. Whether it's paying off debts, building an emergency fund, or investing strategically, each financial milestone achieved is a testament to your determination. Surround yourself with a positive support system. Share your goals with friends or family who can uplift and encourage you. A team effort often makes the journey more enjoyable and the victories more satisfying. Imagine the satisfaction of looking back at the progress you've made, the debts paid off, the investments growing, and the financial abundance unfolding. Staying motivated is a lifestyle that propels you from one success to another. As you navigate this path, remember that setbacks are stepping stones, not roadblocks. Use them as opportunities to reassess, readjust, and recommit to your financial goals. Let every challenge fuel your determination, and let every win reinforce your belief in the journey. Staying motivated is the secret sauce that turns dreams into reality. Embrace it, cultivate it, and watch as it becomes the driving force that carries you. Your financial abundance journey is an epic tale, and you are the hero making it happen. Keep the flame of motivation alive, and the possibilities are limitless. The journey from debt to the Millionaire League is a transformative and empowering process that demands careful planning and disciplined execution. It all starts with a fundamental understanding of your financial landscape, followed by the creation of a practical budget that allows you to track and manage your income and expenses effectively. By trimming unnecessary costs and establishing a robust emergency fund, you fortify your foundation, providing a buffer against unexpected challenges. The middle stages of this financial odyssey involve strategic debt management, career development, and the cultivation of multiple income streams. Tackling high-interest debts and simultaneously boosting your earning potential through skill development and side ventures ensures a sustainable, upward trajectory. Living below your means and making judicious investment choices become guiding principles, fostering a mindset that values long-term financial health over short-term indulgences. As the journey progresses, the focus naturally shifts to wealth-building strategies, retirement planning, and smart investment decisions. Diversifying your portfolio, prioritizing retirement contributions, and exploring real estate or other income-generating opportunities are essential steps toward achieving millionaire status. Remember, the key lies in consistency, disciplined financial habits, and a commitment to continuous learning as you embark on this empowering expedition.